wipe and put it, it will sink. It picks up only oil. Water it doesn't pick up. Because this cotton is not de-waxed. Wax is there. 2% wax is, natural wax is present in the cotton. That 2% natural wax will absorb the oil. It will repel water. When it is not picking water, gravimetrically it is not becoming heavy, so it will not sink. So much science behind. And it is easy, so luck had it. That's why 2 times they put me up for purpose. Anyway, let's see. So what happened was, see, because cotton has wax, that wax will absorb oil, oleophobic attraction. Then it repels water. When the water is not getting into the fabric, it is not becoming heavy, so it is not sinking. But to your 8th grader, this is a magic, because when you throw something into water, it absorbs and it sinks, whereas this doesn't sink. See how crystal clear it is. 2 times, 3 times you put. That is sustainable material. Okay, element, I told you, cotton, elemental, sustainable, natural fiber, biodegradable fiber, environment.